going on, folks? Alright, I've gone through my bucket of, well, not bucket, but a couple of boxes of locks from people, and I did not realize that I've still got a couple from Leon that I've never picked these people before. This one is Tacit Guardian, and it is I Will Australia. So we'll pick this one. This one's a Mike's is what the key is, and I don't know, I've never seen the key number. It's like an oddball quick set. I don't know if y'all can see that. So we're gonna see what we can do about picking it. Alrighty. That one does not fit in there tight, so it slides around. See what happens when I clamp it up. Still looking for my rubber pieces for this thing. Alright, feels good and solid in there. Alright, that was odd. Key didn't want to come out. Alright, all locked up. And we will zoom in. I just had you in there. There you go. We'll try from the bottom. I don't know if that'll work or not. Now I've got a little bit of drag going on, but hopefully not too much. Yeah, I'm losing a lot of feedback on this one. Try going the other way. A lot of little clicks out of it. You know what? I know what we're gonna do. If I can grab the right pick. That's the reason why I have the Praxis kit. Same pick, same DeForest diamond, but in 15,000ths. And it's a little polished. I normally don't polish my picks, but this one I did because I was bored one day. Alright, I'm getting a lot of little clicks. There's a tiny turn. Normally you can't tell a whole lot of difference in a lock when you use a non-polished or versus a polished or whatever. At least to me you can't. Alright. Ah. Feels like number 6. Alright, we're playing Hunt for the School, I guess. Or T-pin. Nah, not deep enough for a T-pin. Now we're gonna go the other way now. I keep getting stuck in that false set. Uh-oh, I'm losing the tension wrench. Let's see. Yeah, that one's just gonna keep falling out on me. So something just a little bit thinner. Yeah. I screwed that one up. This is a good lock. Never even heard of this lock maker until just today. Well, when I received Leon's package, but you know, never picked one of his locks until today, and yeah. Got me having to concentrate on this one. Nope. If this goes on much longer, I'm gonna have to kill the video off. I'm trying to make another 20-minute video. I lost the false set. And we're open. Wow. Would have gone on for another minute. I would have killed the video off. But luckily it's open. And y'all get to see me gut it. After I zoom the camera out. Get a couple of drinks of liquid courage and you start to forget things. Alright. So, let's gut it and see what's in there. I'm curious. This one put up a killer fight. There it is. and follower. And I doubt I will need a shim for this, so especially since I don't think I felt any T-pins. Wow, sad, a 5-pin lock almost whooped on me. Standard in 1, standard in 2, same in 3. Yeah, I feel as if I should probably be ashamed of myself over setting standards like that. Oh, let's see what he's got done. Got some threading in 2, 4, and 5. Zoom in a little bit. Yep, that's it. Threading in 2, 4, and 5. And see what he's got up top. Yeah, that's the front. One's a spool. With a very stuck spring. Number 2 is a serrated. With another very stuck spring. That one might be stuck in the cap. Nope. These are just a touch oversized for these chambers. Oh, duh. And we got another serrated in number 3. And another yet stuck spring. Let's go for everything else from the back. Number 5 is a spool. Oh, the first spring I haven't had to go after. And number 4 was a serrated. And I already see some threading in the top. Looks like 2 and 4 are threaded. Alright, and they're all commercial pins. So here's what we got in this one. Got a spool, serrated spool. But I'll tell you what, that one put up a killer fight though. Alright. And then now I gotta throw my normal preaching out. To be honest, I haven't looked for this guy on YouTube. I'm going to after I get finished with this video. Tacit Guardian. Y'all better look for him too. But definitely check him out. Check out Leon. Awesome guy. Awesome package he sent me. And also check out the Discord server, and my email's in the description. So, alright, until next time, keep it legal, folks.